Hi guys, welcome back to another house tour. Today we're here in Laguna Bel Air 3 in Biñan, Laguna to feature this brand new 3-bedroom home. This property sits in a lot area of 144 square meters with a floor area of 130 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms. You have 2 toilet and bath, a pantry downstairs, a powder room, a kitchen. You have a double height ceiling living room and meron ka ding dining area. And ang maganda dito yung exterior part natin, napaganda. Let me just take you tour around on the exterior part of this property. As we enter, we are greeted with our 2 carport or 2 vehicle carport, which is very spacious. Kasya po ang ating 2 big size SUVs. And on the left side or the right side of the property is a space wherein you can put a small gazebo or a landscape garden area so that you can enjoy it with your friends or just enjoy the afternoons or morning sitting down there and just lounging around. As we move a little bit further from the carport is a service area wherein you can have your sink or you can have your laundry area. This house is actually designed in a way that you have the open the space to be creative and add a little bit of personalization by yourselves. So all the way from the side all the way to the back is a very spacious area wherein you can add a little bit of customization as the buyer or as the new homeowner of this property. At the back of this property is an access going inside the house through the indoor kitchen or indoor dining area, which is very nice because it utilizes a French type window, sliding glass doors, so that you can have a very beautiful view of the backside. So let's take a tour of the inside of this property. Let's tour the ground floor of this home. As we enter this property, we'll be greeted by our double height ceiling living and dining area, which is very beautiful because ang dami pong mga salamin nito, which allows natural light and the airflow to come inside the house. Actually, pagpasok nyo pa lang, you wouldn't feel na medyo enclosed siya or you wouldn't feel na mainit because you can feel na medyo breezy because of the double height ceiling. And you already have that rattan designed chandelier on top, which is very nice, and a very beautiful staircase which gives a beautiful accent here on the ground floor. By the way, all throughout the house, as you can see, yung flooring natin, ang ginamit po niya is SPC flooring or plastic composite po na flooring that is better than a vinyl plank. Tapos it has this wood grain finish if you touch it on the floor. And maganda dito, it's not that cold kapag pag cold weather, hindi siya lumalamig. So it's really good to step on even in cold days. Now, as we move a little bit further, as you can see, it's an open concept. So it depends on where you would like to put your living and also your dining area. But yung suggested dining area niya would be here. Typically, nilalagay po siya dito sa ating side ng ating sliding glass door. By the way, yung sliding glass door natin, you have 2 panels that are sliding. And then you have 2 panels on the side that are fixed, which is French type in design po. And then you already have your chandelier here in your dining area. Now, you have a lot of space to work on, especially on this side of this property. You can actually enclose this side of the stairs so that you can have a cabinet space or a storage space for your belongings. And then you can place your living area facing here or on that side, depending on how you would like to design it. But this is a very nice or big space to work on. It's like a blank canvas that you can personalize. Kasi parang ganun yung gustong gawin ng may-ari. Parang gusto niyang bigyan yung buyer natin or new homeowner that will be buying this house the space to create or to personalize it. So let's go to the kitchen. For our kitchen area, you have your tile countertop, you have your aluminum cabinets po. These are actually made out of aluminum. Mukha lang po siyang wood, pero it's just designed as wood, pero it's aluminum. You have your tiled or your subway-like finish na tiles, pero actually it's just regular tiles po na 120 by 60 po siya. And then you have your tiled finish. This is a granite countertop. You have a huge sink with your shower-like faucet for your sink. Now, meron din tayong space for our cooktop and also your range hood. Now, right here in our lining area would be your powder room. Yung powder room natin, it's just an okay size for washing and also going to do number 1. So, yeah, just the right size. And then, meron din siyang malaking mirror. Now, this is one of my favorite parts of the house. This is a spacious pantry area or supplies area depending on how you would like to do it. Pero this is a good size already. It's not a maid's room, pero it's only a pantry area. So depende na sa inyo kapag nabili niyo siya kung anong gagawin niyo. We're done here in the ground floor. Let's explore the second floor of this property. Come to the second floor of the property. Before I tour you around here in the second floor, let us just admire the double height ceiling that we have here and your rattan design chandelier, which is very nice. Actually, uso yan ngayon. I've seen that a couple of times in the new houses that I've featured, and it's very nice. You know what? It's nice to see double height ceiling houses, which is parang recently nauuso sa uli. So, ang daming ngayon nagdo-double height ceiling, which gives you a lot of natural light and also yung natural breeze. It will feel a little bit more cooler compared to regular houses na wala pong double height ceiling. So, what's nice about this, it's very height. Yung height ng ating railings mataas din siya. So, a little bit safe po siya. Now, another thing to note is you have a lot of white walls that you can place your family portraits or paintings or artworks or things that you would like to hang, maybe your awards if you have such. So, you have the other side also to put a family portrait depending on what you like. So let's just explore the first bedroom of the house. So this is the first bedroom. Ang tawag ng owner dito is like Baguio or Baguio-like windows na may grill sa baba, tapos meron tayong sliding door. So a sliding window na malaki. So this is yung design niya. By the way, all the rooms here except for the master, the 2 bedrooms, doesn't have its own cabinets, but meron na siyang LED lights. You have provision for your inverter split type air conditioning. You have your center light, and you have your SPC flooring na flooring natin. Now, right beside this bedroom would be your powder room. For the powder room, it's just a good size. Tamang-tama lang po siya. You have your sink with the cabinet. You have your mirror. Meron din tayong toilet with your bidet, and then meron tayong glass partition and shower area. And ang maganda dito, marami na rin po mga houses na nagdadagdag ng niche natin, which is very practical because it's an additional space to put your shampoo, your soap, or anything that you use in the bathroom. So, right beside this, the common toilet and bath or the shared common toilet and bath would be your second bedroom of the house. Very similar to the first one. I think kasha dito semi-double or double bed and then a small cabinet. Pwede po siya. And then again, you have the LED lights, SPC flooring, you have your a big window and your railings there, and may center light tayo, and provision for your split type air conditioning. Now, let me welcome you to the master's bedroom. For the master's bedroom, kasha po ang ating king size and queen size bed. You have your own balcony. Meron ka ding sariling walk-in closet and also master toilet and bath. As you can see, it's very spacious. You have your LED lights, you have your provision for your split type air conditioning. You have your sliding glass doors. Actually, this is a little bit bigger compared to dun sa dining area natin. And you have a balcony, wrap-around balcony so that you can place tables and chairs so that you enjoy the breeze of the outside. Lalo na ngayon, medyo bumabagyo. So, mahangin ngayon sa labas dito sa Laguna Bel Air. And you really appreciate it. And you know what? It's very nice na meron tayong mga windows, malalaking windows na ganito. Kasi it allows the natural light to come in. It feels like the house is very maaliwalas. And yun yung mga uso ngayon. Now, as from the sleeping area or the sleeping area will be entering our walk-in closet. It's just the good size. So if you need more space, siguro you have to add closets. But this is okay. What's nice about what they did is meron siyang mirrors and naka-aluminum na rin po siya. So it makes it a little bit more long-term than the regular wood cabinet. So this is the master toilet and bath. So as you can see, it's already tiled yung counter. And then you have your naka-embed po yung sink natin, nakababa yung sink natin. You have your faucet, you have your lighted mirror, you have your toilet, you have your bidet, glass partition, your shower, and also meron ka ring niche. Yung niche natin dito, hindi siya kasing liit nung nasa common. This is a little bit longer as compared to the the common toilet and bath. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual, or you would like to know more about this property, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. There we have our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage number. We're also on social media or on Facebook and Instagram. Now, if you would like to see our other property listings, you can go on our website, livingthesouthph.com, for our latest listings. Now, if you're still looking around and gusto niyo lang po ma-update sa mga bago nating launches or mga promos na projects or mga upcoming listings natin na ipopost dito sa ating YouTube channel, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description and in the comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye, guys!